Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Shein checkout stock loading. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem where your Shein checkout is stuck. So let's just say it is stuck in checkout. There are a couple of things you can go ahead and do. The first thing is going to be force closing your application and reopening it and heading back into the checkout. However, if that doesn't work, then it might also be your internet connection. You can simply go ahead and try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. You can also try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give your network a little refresh. And if that is also not the case, then it could potentially be your VPN, so make sure that is turned off. If none of it works, you might have no other options but to tap and hold, uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.